be making some shrimp ceviche. So what you'll need is some deveined and peeled and cleaned shrimp, some tomato, jalapeno, cucumbers, red onion, some limes, and some avocado. And then what we're gonna do now is clean the shrimp and cut them into smaller pieces, and then cut up all the vegetables. Okay, and now that we have our shrimp cleaned and cut, we are going to get our lime juice and some red lime and some salt and put it in there. Okay, so now that we have the lime juice and the salt up in here, we are gonna let it sit there for a while, probably an hour or more, and then we're gonna be cutting up the vegetables and whatnot.
All right, boys, let me get some camera time. Look here, look at what she's doing over here. Get you some peel and cucumber action.
Oh my gosh, y'all need a better.
She already diced up the onions. There's the shrimpies. There's cucumber, jalapeno, tomato, and hopefully at least one ripe avocado. What do you think about it? Y'all, let me show y'all Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. Say hi. As you can see, he's tired. He's been playing all day. But hey, what's the next thing you gonna do?
Pretty much just add everything together.
Yeah, we're gonna put everything in a bowl. We'll see y'all when it's in the bowl.
Okay, and I also forgot to mention to add the cilantro. And then I'm just gonna cut a pepper and put it on the side for whoever wants it, because I don't really like jalapenos in my ceviche, but yeah. Okay, so this is the final product, and so what we used was over half of an onion, of a red onion. We used 2 cucumbers and 2 tomatoes, and just a small amount of the cilantro. And the 2 cucumbers was kind of a lot, so I would do a whole cucumber or 1.5. So, and then your pepper deveined. So let's test it out. Juicy.
Would you rate it 1 through 10?
8.5.
You that good of a cook? Alright guys, so that's it, Ceviche. And hey, if you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.
Yeah.